Hi, my name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and today I'm going to show you how to upload an Excel document into Google Docs. To start, I'm going to go to my Google Drive at drive.google.com. Next, I'll click the Upload button and select Files. Here I have an Excel document called Computer Invoice, so I'll click on that and click Open. Once the document has completed uploading, you'll see it appear in the list of files on my drive. I'm going to close the Upload Complete box and then show you how to edit this file. To edit this with Google Sheets, just right-click on it, go to Open With, and choose Google Sheets. The neat thing about this is that uploading an Excel document retains many of the formulas, if not most of them. For example, if I click on this total, I will see the sum formula, which actually has the same syntax as an Excel formula. My name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and today I showed you how to upload an Excel spreadsheet into Google Docs.